Sometimes advice is really good. Sometimes it's the worst thing that we could ever do for a practice member. Here's what I mean. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined. If we have an opportunity to reset neurology, which means that we reset our nervous system's interaction with our immune system and with our environment, our system can totally calm down and function better. And we do that a lot with work all through here related to the vagus nerve. We also do it relative to the brain. So our brain is constantly juggling both the environment, viruses, bacteria, parasites, etc., and it's juggling stressors in our life. And these stressors in our life keep our brain from juggling the environment properly. And so when we reset that with something called QNRT, Quantum Neuro Reset Therapy, which is simply hands-on drawing the story from the brain and nervous system, talking a split second about the story so it's up on the screen, so to speak, and rebooting the brain around that story, the nervous system calms down, and as the nervous system calms down, the immune system calms down. So case in point, a few weeks ago we saw a patient, we'd just been working with her 2 months. She couldn't eat anything. She was down to eating scrambled eggs and rice when she saw us, and she had a stimulator here for her stomach. She'd had gastroparesis, no stomach movement. At one time she'd been on a feeding tube in the past. Things weren't working for her at all. As we calmed down everything with the vagus nerve and we reset her brain with QNRT, all of a sudden she's eating anything she wanted to. She's even eating meat when typically she had alpha-gal in the past and you would never eat meat. With alpha-gal, she was eating meat, no problems. Her body had healed. Giving her advice on when to eat what would have been disaster. Just resetting her neurology is what she needed. She didn't need advice. I never gave her advice, and those kind of results occurred because her body has the wisdom to heal. And we simply reset the neurology so that it could heal. So if you have an opportunity to get neurology reset at a high level like we're talking about in our office here, that's going to be best. It's way better than advice. Advice would have been disaster for her. Now, sometimes advice, of course, is pretty important and we can take advantage of it. But the times it's not, resetting neurology has a high priority. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined.